Hey,
Bill.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right.
Welcome to Fibrenew.
Yeah, thank you.
Good to see you.
How's it going?
Come on in, take a look at what we've done.
I've come to check on how the Rolls Royce seats are coming along. Jesus, look at the difference. The interior and the seats were in really bad shape, so these guys are refurbishing them.
This is what you gave us. Dirty, blackened leather that has so much body oil in it. You can feel how dry it is.
Yeah.
You see a ton of age marks in it. When we picked it up, it was in rough shape, but knowing that it's good quality leather, I figured it would be able to come back.
That's crazy.
So that's why we love for our customers to do a before and after picture at the end of the day to remind how bad of shape they were when we got them. With this stuff, I was aggressive. I used like a gray scrubby pad, and then I used 320 sandpaper, 600 and 1000. I have my sandpaper here, and I can rub it over, and I can take a lot of the imperfections out of it. And it doesn't matter that I'm leaving a little scuff mark because we're going to prep it and dye it anyways. So then we clean, we prep all of our pieces. The big thing I do is, I snipped off a piece of the original color when I first started off the back of one of these seats when we took the back off. So then I started matching my color so that I have the same color through all the pieces, right? This will look restored to new, so that way they get the look of new, but keeping with the hominess and the aged and the comfort, like an old leather jacket. We've got most of our dye in. We hand rub it on after it's cleaned and prepped and then spray it. But we've been able to do all the pieces. It's looking really good. With leather at this age, once we get some dye in it, it's like our skin. It's gonna settle in a little bit different in different places. And it's going to pop. It really is.
Okay.
It just needs a little bit more.
No, it looks great.
Yeah,
it looks really good compared to how it was. Yeah,
exactly.
They look amazing.
Cool.
Leather.
Excellent. Looks good.
Good. We'll keep going and get them done for you.
All right, guys.
Take care.
See you later.
Have a good day.
Thanks.